Welcome to Static Model Mayhem. On this episode, as you can see, we are on our spray booth and we're going to continue working on those asteroid bases. So what we're going to do is use three colors. 79992 from Vallejo, 7989 Sky Gray, one of my favorites, and finally a Model Air 71.255. So let's start mixing our paint. These are pre-shaken, by the way. That should be good. Right, thinning down the paint and flow improver. One of the most important additives you can have on your airbrush. Just mixing it on our cup, basically our paint tray. And using our trusty airbrush, just a light misting on both of these. I've also got some additional bases that I'm working on, not to waste any paint, just for these two. You don't want to flood the whole thing, just shut up, compressor. Right, next color. Thank you. Next color, Sky Gray, straight into the cup. 1, 2, 3 drops. Flashing. I know it's a lazy method to mix up your paint, but for this amount of work, it's ideal. As you can see, we're not flooding them, we're just misting and trying to get some color variation. Not trying to totally cover our previous layer. Now for the final part, light blue, again, straight on the cup. I want to add some color into them, not just plain gray. 1, 2 drops. So now we have a perfect mix, perfect within reason of neutral gray, sky gray, and this light blue. And let's give them a little bit of misting all around, trying to preserve the details and the two previous layers that we painted. Waiting for the compressor to stop. Thank you, compressor. So here we go, adding our final bits. And I think that we are done. Just a bit more. Right. Give some interest. And we are done. that's what we have. So right now our bases have had some texture on them. We've painted them and they're ready to accept our miniatures. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on our next episode. Take care.